Okay, we're gonna demonstrate how we do the Carly curls. I just wanted to show you our 3 little tricks to a perfect curl. The first being, you gotta hit the curl right up at the root and make sure it's angled and the whole piece of hair is showing. We're gonna let that top curl out, shimmy it down. You want a curling iron that glides. You're gonna shimmy out, leave a little bit of those ends, and when you're ready, just drag that through just to give it a little bend. And you can see the end result when we're